unite. Love the earth with all your might. Promote the greens and roots we find in nature's bounty. Strength combined. The rivers flow with stories old, of mountains tall and riches untold. Nurture what the soil provides in every mouthful. Future resides. Hear the wind through ancient trees, guiding whispers on the breeze. With each local flavor, chef creates history.